Good morning students and welcome back to my class. Today we will perform one activity to show that soil is mainly made up of rock particles and humus. Children, we have studied in the chapter that soil is formed from the weathering of the rock. That means soil must be made up of rock particles. To prove it, we will perform one activity. For this activity, you requires a glass and its 3/4 part should be filled with water. Take half cup of soil or 200 gram of soil from your garden. Now what you have to do? Simply mix the soil in the water. After stirring it with a spoon, remove the spoon from the glass and leave this soil water solution for around 12 hours. Children, after 12 hours, you will see that soil has settled at the bottom of the glass in 4 different layers: gravel, sand, silt and clay. And whatever that is floating on the upper surface of the water is humus. Children, these layers of the rock particles of soil separate according to their weight. Sand is present above the gravel. That means sand is lighter than gravel. Then silt is lighter than sand. So it is present above the sand. And the lightest rock particle is clay. This is how we can see that soil mainly consists of rock particles of different sizes and humus. Children, see after 12 hours, you can see the different layer of rock particle at the bottom of the glass. Can you see this bottom better? This dark color soil contains gravel, sand and slate, whereas this fine colored layer present just above the slit, which looks very fine in particle size, is clay. दोबारा बोल रही हूँ. Children, just look after 12 hours. As you can see, the soil has settled at the bottom of the glass and humus is floating on the surface of water. Why? Because humus is the lightest in the weight, so it is floating on the upper surface of water. Whereas, if you will see the soil, the lower 3 layer is made up of gravel, sand and slate. And this fine particle of rock, which you can see over here, is clay. So we can say that soil is made up of rock particles of different sizes and humus. Let me give you a close-up view. I hope you all can see it better. This layer, which is present at the bottom, is of gravel, sand and slate, whereas this layer of fine rock particle is of clay. And these floating substances is called humus. So this was all about this activity. I'll see you in my next class. You all can try this activity at home. If you do, then please don't forget to send me the video. Bye bye. See you in my next class.